Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Benjamin Breyer. I'm a photographer, videographer, and artist. Today is going to be a little different. We're going to do an unboxing video. It's going to be short and sweet. It is the DJI Mavic Mini 2. Let's check it out. I really wanted this drone for a while now, but it's been quite difficult and I needed a little bit more convincing. Just go and buy it because, you know, my brother has one and he made me try it. I really loved it, but I had to really be convinced before buying one to see in my head what I could do with it. Now that I have, I'm super excited to try it. Let's do it. All right, so let's go. Let's go the old-fashioned way. What I really wanted was the Mavic Mini 2 because it has the 4K resolution in recording. Nice texture. Let's open this. Propellers, joysticks, drone itself. Oh my goodness. What? Robotics today are freaking insane. Gimbal protector. At the same time, it protects the camera, so look at that. Put it back on. Okay, so I took the Fly More combo, which came with the propeller guards, stick everything together. We have a battery charging station. I didn't want to carry the DJI just like that, so let's unpack this. More efficient to store, you know? Wow. Feels like James Bond gadgets. SD card slot, and we have the charging ports right here. And in the back we have battery. Next we have the remote, which feels really heavy. It feels great in hand though. The grips feels sturdy. Phone holder and probably manuals. This is all the content of the bag. We have battery charging station, cables, power block. As you know, the other battery is in here, so I can't believe it's that small. Put the battery in, plug that. I thought it was a battery pack itself, but it's just a charging station. So that would come in handy if you would have a battery pack that could charge batteries without being plugged in all the time, because if you're on the go and all the 3 batteries die, you're left with nothing else than this. Now let's try that. So we're now outdoor and we're gonna test the DJI connection guide. It's time to fly. 3, 2, 1.